So I thought I would catch you up with where I'd got to from Tuesday, which was when we were last together. So I have managed to finish doing the leaves and the berries on this side, and I've just got to do the tops of the acorns and the crewel stem stitch. I also need to make sure, I didn't say this on the last time we were doing the acorns, but we need to actually put a little French knot at the very tip of the acorns as well. Can you see one on here? So I'm going to go back and do little French knots on top of all of them here once we've finished. So today I'm going to be doing the little head detail at the top of the cuckoo, and we're going to move on to a new colour, which is 694 yellow, which I think is one of my favourite colours of wool from Appleton's. I really like it when I'm packing a kit with these colours. It makes me very happy. So we're going to be doing the mouth with this colour, and it's just doing we're doing a crewel stem stitch today. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to go down, just do a little seeding stitch. And then in between. As there's a bit of a curve, I am following Philippa's advice in the book, which is just to do slightly smaller stitches because it makes it easier to get that shape rather than doing big ones. So I'm just doing the outline first, and then I'm going to go and do the same in the middle as well, just as there's lines in there to follow. Just going to do a little seeding stitch there. Just go back up here and do another row. So now that I've completed the beak, I'm going to go on to do the cuckoo's little head thing. I'm not quite sure what you call it, but we'll do that, and if it's in the same colour and it's with the stem stitch again. I really like how this colour looks with the pink. I like how bright and colourful it is. now that we've finished doing the beak and the little head thing on the cuckoo, we're going to move on to the eye. Just for the little head thing, this is just like a single threaded French knot which is on the end, and it looks really nice. I really like that. So we're going to go on to the eye and start with it a single threaded French knot again. So I'm just going to do a little seeding stitch. Bring it up, round, just like that. Just cut off this little bit, like that. And then we're going to use the beading needle, which has just got some fine cotton on it, and we're going to stitch the bead onto it. So I'm just going to take this out of the way and get my bead out of here. So I've got my bead and I've got my needle. We've done it as a double thread, and I've just put a knot in the end. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but we'll have a go. So I'm going to bring the needle up and put that on there, maybe. Go back down. Would that work? Let's have a go. Oh, that did work. Ah, that is right. Yeah. And it's all nice and secure on there. So I did just go back through with the needle again just to secure it in place. So there we have the final cuckoo head. Now I'm going to finish off doing the acorns and just doing this crewel stem stitch for around here and for the little branch which our cuckoo is on. So I'll show you that tomorrow and we will have a final finished piece.